You might have seen small YouTubers doing unboxing videos on products they get for free. How do these YouTubers get free stuff? Keep watching. In this video, I will walk through the top 5 sites to get free stuff for small YouTubers. You will learn how to get companies to send products to review for free. The first one is Influenster. The link is in the description. Here is an example. This YouTube channel has less than 650 subs at the time of recording this video. You get a huge range of free products, mostly products for women. So if you're looking for free makeup and other health and beauty products, you'll want to join this one. Once a month, you will receive a box full of freebies that you can use and keep for free. In exchange, you review these products. One of the best things about Influenster is their Voxbox feature. A Voxbox usually contains themed products relevant to a season, holiday, or other special time. And yes, it's 100% free. You don't even have to pay for shipping. The second site to get free stuff for small YouTubers is BzzAgent. It's a product testing platform where you get free products in exchange for providing your feedback. Here you see a small YouTuber with just 47 subscribers. Here's how it works. First, you need to sign up and it's free. Then you receive products to test at home. Complete a questionnaire about the product and what you liked and disliked about it. And you get to keep the stuff. And it's a fun way to get free stuff. The next one is Crowdtap. Crowdtap is a company that brings together brands looking for valuable consumer insights. The people who are willing to create content for brands and spread the word. Here is an example of a small YouTuber unboxing some free examples from Crowdtap. The fourth website to get free products for small YouTubers is Pinch Me. Sign up for Pinch Me by answering a few simple questions about your household. With your details on record, they'll alert you when relevant new products are released to be sampled. Simply choose the ones that you want to try and they'll be posted directly to you free of charge. Once they arrive, give them a test and offer feedback to the Pinch Me website. The fifth website is Smiley360. Smiley360 is another one like Pinch Me. They send out boxes of free full-size products and samples. In exchange for getting freebies, you have to complete so-called missions. Basically, sharing on social media, answering a few questions, and so on. When you qualify, you'll be expected to review and offer feedback on those products you receive. So if you have been wondering how do YouTubers get free makeup or how to get companies to send you products to review, now you know. You can review products and keep them. Have you tried any of these sites before? If so, leave a comment below and let me know.